I'm not sure what the name of this waterfall is. It's absolutely beautiful. It's right off the M28. It takes Mohawk-like skills to get up here. That's Sandy down there by the highway. I'm gonna head back down that way. It's beautiful here. Miners Falls. We're going for a closer look. We're taking the back trail to get a better look at Miner Falls. We're going to check each other for ticks when we get back to the hotel. This is looking like straight downhill. It ain't going to be easy, but we're going. Alright, this is like amazing. We're at the top of Miner Falls. It's a long way down. It's kind of muddy and slippery, so we're not going to get too much closer to this right here. But it's freaking amazing. Alright, we're about to climb up out of here. Yeah, it's crazy. This is it looking straight on. Sandy's perch. It's Miner's Castle, Munising. I think that spot where you wanted to take that picture is right Pictured rocks. Beautiful. On our way to Mosquito and Chapel Falls. This is the road. Pretty pristine back here. There's sunshine above the canopy. It's like we're here. A little creek in the Mosquito area. I don't call it that for nothing. I just can't tell you how beautiful it is here. This is the path to Mosquito Falls. It's 1.1 miles from the parking lot back, but it's a mile of just pristine beauty. This is a little stream that we come across on the way to Mosquito Falls. Well, there it is. After a mile hike through the woods, we finally come to the Mosquito River Falls. And, we're gonna walk down and take a closer look. Well, here we are at the top of the Mosquito Falls. It's absolutely beautiful here. in kind of a gorge. I'm going to take a walk down upstream above the falls. You can see this beautiful canyon that it's in. Speaking of beauty, hi baby.
Hi baby.
So there's the top of the falls. Where it drops off. It looks like about probably 12 to 15 foot fall there. And this is the canyon. It's just spectacular. Get out on that rock. Just beautiful. I've been using that word a lot, but it fits. Up here some more falls, almost a cascade, I guess you'd say. Look at that. Pure Michigan. Well, I'm actually standing in the Mosquito River Falls, but I just became terrified when I looked up and I saw this huge tree that's sitting on that. And it's like, I don't know why that's still up there and not down here, but I don't want to be here when it comes down. Look at this, this is amazing. There's my Sandy. So I really wanted to see the Mosquito River Falls from the bottom, but it's not very easy to do because of that. So I had to walk downstream a ways to where I could get down the hill, but it was kind of worth it for the view. Also, my boots are like way wet, but awesome, fantastic.
But not actually spent a lot of time together. Get a picture of my dirty butt.
Yeah. This is Sandy descending the trail on the way back to the parking lot. We're headed for that bridge down there. So actually the downhill part's good.